Okay, number 11, what is the equation for the table? When we write an equation for the table, we're going to assume an asymptote at 0, so no vertical shift. So y equals the initial value times b to the x. We'll start by finding b. b is the factor. We can find the factor from an exponential table by doing y2 divided by y1. y2 means any value. Let's take the second y value. And then y1 would be the value above it. So I could do those two values. I could say 2.048 divided by 5.12 to get my factor. I could also pick different values and do the same thing. I could say that the bottom number was y2, 0.32768, divided by the one right above it, so that's the y1, 0.8192. And on both of these, I'm going to get my factor. My factor is going to be 0.4. So this equals 0.4, and the orange one also equals 0.4. So that's my factor. So now I have y equals something times 0.4 to the x. I need to find that initial value, the number that goes in front. I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay. Now I have some more space. So to find the factor, if we're going down the table, so going from term 2 to term 3 to term 4 to term 5, we would multiply by 0.4 each time, and we would get the next number. To find the initial value, I need to find out when the table has x equals 0, my y-intercept. That's going to be my starting value for a word problem, or my initial value, my first term, my coefficient, my number that's being multiplied by the exponential function. So we need to find the y-intercept. To do that, I can go backwards and divide by 0.4. So 5.12 divided by 0.4 is 12.8. 12.8 divided by 0.4 is 32. And so my initial value is 32, and that's my equation.